you'll need other than your glasses of choice, a blender. I'm gonna have to work with this because this is all I got. Strawberry puree. Your Ciroc, of course. That's the passion fruit. Triple sec. Sprite. Passion fruit syrup. I've got half a cup of frozen pineapple. I've got fresh mango. That's half of a mango. And then I've got my garnishes that I want to use in here. So now, let's get started. So, fresh half a mango. And I promise y'all, look, I was looking at one of my old videos the other day, the Hot Girl Summer. And I'm gonna tell y'all, I do not cut the same that I used to. We can all be glad, because it was one of those moments, you know what, forget this. But it was one of those moments in life where I'm like, oh my gosh. It was so cringy seeing how and what I was doing. Like, that was so cringy. Yes, I'm using this again. So you're gonna need 1.5 ounces of Ciroc. If you want the taste of alcohol or you want the drink to be stronger, I suggest making it 3 ounces and or to your liking. Which for me is going to equate to 3 tablespoons. It's really 3 tablespoons. I was making up for the little bit that was lacking. Hold on. This smells good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I love flavor. I just love, first of all, I like cute bottles. Yes. I'm one of those people, look, any company can let me not say that because I sound really gullible. But if it's cute, it's a step up. Ooh, I'm spilling it a little bit. So you're gonna need half an ounce of triple sec. That's 1 tablespoon. Let me clean the top off. And usually when I make these, I'm drinking it or somebody close to me is drinking it. And my goal is always to wash my hands frequently. Like, surely, in one of the videos I watched, I had a moment where I'm like, why didn't I wash I washed my hands, but I had a moment where I didn't, I touched like a bag from the store and didn't wash my hands after. And I'm like, oh my gosh, so cringy. Half an ounce of Sprite. All right. And half an ounce of passion fruit syrup. You know what? I'm gonna add some more Ciroc or maybe not. All right. Let's try and blend this thing here. It's one of those things I might have to let it sit. This is where you are going to want to add some ice. Adding ice will help make the drink colder and more like a slushy like feel. This drink wasn't really cold, so you may want to add ice if that's what you want. I might want it to be slushier, because if I want it to be slushier, then I'm going to add ice. And also, by the way, the glass I'm going to use is 8 ounces. I was thinking about using the wine glass, but I really don't like slushies in wine glasses. Not for presentation. For presentation, I don't like it. That was a piece of the pineapple that I'm like, if I cut the pineapple better, that wouldn't be in it. Okay, I think that's straight. So I'm putting that to the side. Now that all that is washed. Now we need the strawberry puree. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I don't taste the alcohol. And you might want to. So if you want to, you're gonna have to add more than what I added. Okay. I don't know how I want to do this. If I want to... I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit. Then I'm going to pour some at the same time. Because I don't want it to get... Then I'm pour some over here. Y'all, I'm making a mess. Then I'm pour some in the middle. It does not look cute, y'all. It does not look cute. That does not look cute. Be disappointed in me if you want. I'm trying to get every drop. That's the kind of person I am. No shame in my game. Little messes on the side. Like, don't do that. Okay, I definitely should have added a little more strawberry puree. But that's really however you want. And I didn't want to see any strawberry puree at the top. So now it's garnish time. And I've got this to work with. Which is not blue anywhere in this. I want to switch it. This is the final look. Voila. It might be a little messed up now because I drank from it just a little bit, carried it. And let me tell you, if you like sweet, if you like fruity, this is it. This is it for you. But if you want the taste of alcohol immediately, this is not. Well, at least not my recipe or the way I did it. But you can always add more Ciroc. And also, because it's puree in it, you're going to get that as part of your flavor and taste. And sometimes when you have puree, depending on how you have it, that's what you drink in first. In the closing of the Passion Ciroc, I'm going to say cheers to you on your endeavors and cheers to me on mine. And that closes that. Catch you later. Cheers.